How to use challenges inside school from someone that ran a challenge that got back the star for a community that had 100K plus members and was making 250K a month, aka course. The way the main purpose of challenges that I have found after being on school for the last 2 years is engagement. And not only just engagement, but re-engagement. That is, in my opinion, the best way to get back a school community. So there's two options that you have when you have that school community, which is either kill it or run a challenge. Anything else is like pretty goddamn hard to do and slower. So with challenges, it depends a lot on the context of the challenge, right? And how you're running it. So if you're running a free community, for example, then the main purpose of the challenge should be an identity shift. And then if you're running it in a paid community, then it could be engagement. So the main purpose should just be getting things done. Which probably sounds stupid. Unless you want to upsell those people, which you could do like another small identity shift, or get them like a quick win inside in terms of what they would go on to achieve. So let's say you have a tier that's a standard tier, and you want to upsell people to a premium tier, and the premium tier gives them a different dream outcome, or it's a different paid community, then you would get them a quick win, right? Quick win is also very useful inside the free. So how you can go about challenge itself is, I've seen 5 days work the best, and there's loads of ways to do it, but this video is just how to use challenges inside school, and re-engagement is by far the best from what I have found. Bye.